With the warmer weather we had today, it's hard to remember the freezing cold we saw just a couple of weeks ago. Unfortunately, a lot of our neighbors were struggling to pay bills even before that big snowstorm hit. Now they're facing even higher utility bills. So nonprofits like Lubbock Impact are stepping in to do what they can. KAMC's Koczera has all the details.
The folks here at Lubbock Impact have already seen needs skyrocket during the pandemic. And now as clients face high utility bills from the recent storm, they're trying to provide extra support. But they need your help.
We feed them, we give them medical help, we have a clothes closet for them, we've got hygiene products, any of the basic needs that somebody might have.
Fulfilling those needs requires a lot of supplies.
We went from feeding 250 to 300 people every Wednesday night to about 1,200 to sometimes 1,500 people. So it stands to reason our budget quadrupled.
They're asking you for any donations: food, clothes, socks, gloves, monetary, or even something on their Amazon wish list.
We are going through that money quickly, and it goes straight into the purchase of the meals and then passed on to our clients.
At their Wednesday drive-through soup kitchen, Lubbock Impact gives each car a family meal along with a number of other canned and paper goods. With high utility bills expected from the storm, they're providing more each week to reduce the family's financial burden.
There's a lot of things that your food stamps won't pay for, and that's what we try and supply so that they can have funding to pay their utilities.
The community has already stepped up tremendously, but feeding 1,200 people a week is no small task. So any donations, monetary, food, clothes, or something on their Amazon wish list, it goes a long way. If you'd like to learn how to donate, visit our website, everythinglubbock.com. At Lubbock Impact, Koczera, KAMC News.
Amy, thank you. Great to see so many ways that we can help. Good cause.